Why did the yogi refuse to do action yoga? Because they were afraid it might lead to excessive stretching of their patience. Action yoga seems to be described as a spiritual practice that involves cultivating a mental link with God to gain mastery over one's thoughts, emotions, and actions, inner healing, and connection with God. Action yoga is portrayed as a form of inner healing that allows individuals to let go of negativity and establish a deep connection with God. Through meditation and dialogue with oneself, one can access courage and select positive personality traits, positive direction and harmony. Practicing action. Yoga enables individuals to consciously activate positive thoughts and emotions, leading to a harmonious life. By maintaining a mental connection with God, negative moods such as fear, depression, and anxiety can be avoided. Letting go of body consciousness. The practice encourages individuals to let go of the limitations of body consciousness, which can lead to attachment and dependence on temporary things. By accepting these as instruments for growth, rather than sources of identity, one can experience their inner self, or soul, empowerment, and transformation. Action. Yoga empowers the soul and intellect, enabling individuals to change habits and personality traits. Through meditation and remembrance of God, the mind is cleansed and filled with pure love, leading to selfless actions performed out of love or obedience to God. Transition from humanity to divinity. Engaging in action. Yoga is seen as a journey from humanity to divinity, where individuals cultivate meaningful bonds with others without expectation, thereby bringing them closer to God. Action yoga appears to be a practice aimed at spiritual growth, self-transformation, and the cultivation of a deeper connection with the divine through positive actions and inner reflection.